You can sit because it's high.
Because we'll be heading to a party very soon right now. Good morning, guys. Cooking for my family of 6. If I don't cook for them and take care of them, who will? Come on, let's do this together. Join me, okay? Adding my onions to season my meat. Okay. Curry. Complete seasoning. Salt. Thyme. Soya spice. Yes, I want that chili. So the seasoning cubes. Black beans. leftovers. Kasingnya. Mommy, I'm coming, okay? What's bread? It's early morning. Huh? Which part? This which part that mommy have? Give me 1 moment, okay? So I'm just going to get up. You make my life so wonderful. Hi guys, are you still there? Please, I'm begging you, if you're watching this video right now, one thing I want you to do for me is that like, subscribe, share please. Don't give me money, no. I'm not begging for money. Just help me and like, leave a wonderful comment, and of course subscribe and share. Thank you. I should do it it to you too. Hey, Jesu. Okay. Jimmy. I should do it to you too. Boom, 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 boom. Hi. Say hello. Say hello. Say faked. Say faked.
Mama.
Sauce will be needing a little bit of tomatoes to make it hot. Sweetheart. Okay, let me give you some grapes. Mommy? One grapes. Currently, I'm prepping for a very delicious sauce. This sauce is so yummy. I made it with that chicken, but unfortunately, it's not gonna be making it on this video. I got an issue, so I recorded it in a different phone. So see us here coming back from church right now. I'm heading to Walmart to get a gift for the birthday girl. Okay, you guys need to keep on watching. We'll be heading to a party very soon right now. Catch you, I'll see you guys. Hey baby. Hey sweet. No? Oh, are you okay? You wanna climb here too? Ooh, alright, you come on. What's not here?
Yeah.
Oh, this woman. Eva. You think you're still young, right?
You can sit because it's high.
I'm sitting on top of the wall. I snap now. Snap, okay?
Okay.
Are you snapping?
Yeah. Yeah, you're so...
You just snap. Which one are you doing?
Snapping.
Woo. Are you videoing?
Yeah. Aw, mommy.
Wanna enter?
Or you want to push something?
So we are currently at the party park. This park, we come here often. It reminds me of so many memories, honestly. Well, the kids are playing, having fun. Actually, everyone is having fun, not just the kids. So after which, we are going to be continuing with the birthday party celebration at the other side. Okay, are you still there? Have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Nature is beautiful, honestly. Look at me feeling myself here. Oh, the way I go. Oh, Jesus Christ. A beautiful park. Beautiful weather. Not so cold at all. Not hot. Just a very cool weather. Alright. Let me leave you to enjoy the rest of the video.
Is that how you do it? Okay, let me push.
Honestly, Oyibo people are very simple people. They don't overdo things. They keep it very simple. Look at the party here. Well, I will catch you guys in my next video.